Did you know that over 70% of websites struggle to generate consistent traffic? That's right, if you feel like your website is stuck in neutral, you're not alone. Hey there, welcome back to Jay's Digital Hub, where your online success begins. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for anyone trying to grow their online presence, which is website traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of your online success, and if it's not moving, it can really hold back your business. So, let's figure out why your website traffic might be stuck and how to get it moving again. First off, let's talk about the signs that your website traffic is stuck. You might notice your visitor numbers have plateaued, your bounce rates are creeping up, or maybe your conversion rates just aren't where they should be. These are clear signs that something is off, and it can be really frustrating. When traffic stagnates, it can lead to missed opportunities, fewer leads, and ultimately, less revenue. So, what's causing this traffic slowdown? Let's find out. There are several factors that could be contributing to your stagnant website traffic. First up, let's talk about SEO strategy stagnation. Just like a plant needs water, your SEO needs regular attention. If you've been using the same keywords and strategies for too long, it's time for a refresh. Google loves new content and updated strategies. Next, let's not forget about outdated content. Remember that blog post you wrote about the best SEO tactics of 2020? Yeah, that's probably not winning any awards in 2024. Regularly updating your old posts can breathe new life into your traffic. Alright, let's talk about something that kills your traffic faster than a snail race, a slow website. Believe it or not, if your site takes too long to load, visitors are out of there. And trust me, nobody likes watching that little spinning wheel. Next up, let's talk about a crucial element that many website owners overlook, which is internal linking. If you're ignoring this key strategy, you could be missing out on valuable traffic, as it helps guide visitors through your site and boosts your SEO. More backlinks mean more credibility in the eyes of search engines and more traffic. So, to wrap things up, if your website traffic feels like it's stuck in neutral, it's time to take action. Remember, just like a car needs regular maintenance to run smoothly, your website needs consistent updates to keep traffic flowing. Getting over that website plateau isn't impossible, but it takes a few tweaks and updates to stay ahead. Just remember to update outdated content with fresh insights and trending keywords. Boost page speed by compressing images and minimizing code. Lastly, strengthen your internal links to guide users through your site and improve its structure for search engines. Follow these steps, and you'll start seeing that traffic move up again in no time. Now, we want to hear from you too. Have you experienced stagnant website traffic? What strategies did you use to overcome it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.